Installing Python. In the last video, we learned what Python is and why it is worth learning. Now it is time to install Python and write your first program. By the end, you will have Python running on your computer. First, check if you already have Python. Open your terminal and type Python 3-, version. If you see Python 3.12 or newer, you are ready. If not, follow the installation steps for your operating system. On macOS, the easiest way is with Homebrew. Just run brew install Python. On Linux, use apt install Python 3. On Windows, download the installer from python.org and check add Python to path during installation. There is also a modern alternative called UV. It is a fast Python package manager that can install Python itself. Run curl to install UV, then UV Python install to get the latest version. We will cover UV in detail later. REPL stands for Read Eval Print Loop. It is an interactive mode where you type Python code and see results immediately. Start it by typing Python 3 in your terminal. The triple arrow prompt means Python is ready for input. Try typing some expressions in the REPL. 2 plus 3 gives 5. You can add strings together and check types. The REPL evaluates each line and prints the result. It is great for testing small pieces of code quickly. For real programs, you write scripts. A Python script is a text file with a .py extension. Create a file called hello.py, add print hello world, and run it with Python 3 hello.py. That is your first program. Let me show you a bigger program. This one prints a greeting, does math operations including floor division and power, works with strings using fstrings, and checks your Python version. Each feature is simple on its own. Python can ask the user for input with the input function. It waits for the user to type something and press enter. The input function always returns a string. If you need a number, convert it with int or float. VS Code is the most popular editor for Python. Install it from code.visualstudio.com, then add the Python extension by Microsoft. This gives you syntax highlighting, autocomplete, linting, and a built-in debugger. After installing the extension, press Command-Shift-P and select the Python interpreter. Then create a new file, save it as hello.py, type your code, and click the play button to run it. The output appears in the terminal panel. There are several ways to run Python. From the terminal with Python 3, from VS Code with the play button, as a one-liner with Python 3-C, or interactively in the REPL. The terminal is the most common method. If you cannot install Python locally, use online tools. Google Colab gives you free Jupyter notebooks. Replit is a browser-based IDE, but I recommend installing locally because you will need it for files and packages later. Comments in Python start with the hash symbol. Python ignores everything after it on that line. Use comments to explain why your code does something, not what it does. Good code should be self-explanatory. Python uses indentation instead of curly braces to define code blocks. Always use 4 spaces per level. Never mix tabs and spaces. Python is also case-sensitive, so name, and name are 3 different variables. Watch out for common mistakes. Always use Python 3, not Python, to run the correct version. On Windows, make sure to add Python to path during installation. Check your directory if you get file not found errors. Let us write a temperature converter. This program converts Celsius to Fahrenheit and back. It uses variables, math operations, and fstrings with formatting. The :1f in the fstring shows 1 decimal place. In the next video, we will learn about variables, data types, and fstrings. You will learn how Python handles numbers, text, Boolean values, and none. We will also cover type hints and string methods. If you like this video, Hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials.